Hi everyone, we are now looking at the next zodiac sign, and that's for the month of August. We are now looking at you Leos. Yes, now for you Leos, the month of August looks a lot more better, okay, and things are just settling down for you. So all the negativity, all the obstacles that were in your chart as of now start moving out and it starts clearing the air for you now. So firstly and importantly, focus on your careers and your businesses. Now from the career perspective, everything is pretty stable. Yes, just stay away from a little bit of arguments, a little bit confrontations. Stay away from any kind of negative crowd. Similarly, from the business perspective, you may have certain business deals which look very great, look very lucrative, but you need to be very careful and do not take up anything that looks risky for you. Besides that, it is perfectly fine. From the finances also, your finances are great. You have stable, slow profits and growths coming in the month of August. But yes, it is important that you even start planning now investments. So the profits that come in, you need to plan how to hold on to that and how to save on to your profits and your gains this month. From the health perspective, this is a month for you to take a lot of precaution. Now, anyone having issues which are related to the stomach area and people having issues related to the brain area, this may play up this month. So you need to take proper care, proper precaution, and have your regular checkups and go and visit your doctors. Do not neglect that. Okay, these are these two areas. Besides that, it's important for you to focus on your diets as well this month. Okay, and I'm now looking at the next section, and that would be yes, from the family perspective. From the family perspective this month, your relationships with the family is good. We do see family and friends coming together, having small little get-togethers as well this month. And when the family gets together, it is important this month that you start expressing a lot more. So it's like express feelings, emotions, appreciate the support of your family that you have. Now this month says for you Leos to speak the truth, speak your heart and support your family. That is something important for you to express this month from the family front. Overall, for a remedy also for you for this month, it again says for you to speak the truth, work on your communication and to support family and friends around. As a remedy, you can even implement some yellow foods, fruits and vegetables into your diet, yellow in color. That will help you a lot more. And this month, try and focus a balance between your mind and your body as well. So do a lot more prayer. Prayer, meditation and some self-calming is one of the great remedies for you this month, and you will see how it helps you to align as well. I'm Sharon S. Mondija. Thank you so much for being a part of Avenues, and if you're new to my family, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell button and let us all stay connected for so much more in store. Thank you again.